Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Isn't it cute? Really simple little card. So let's get started. I'm going to start off stamping our little Ladybird, and the stamp set we're going to use is this one called Hello Ladybug. The Americans seem to say Ladybug. We in the UK obviously say Ladybird. So we can have a ladybird here and then this little sentiment, may your greatest wish come true. So let's stamp our ladybird in basic black, memento, tuxedo black. One of my favourite black inks. So something like that. Give it a really good press. Lovely. Okay. Close up that ink pad. I'm going to bring in our real red. And as you can see through, I'm really sorry if my head's in the camera, but this is just so I can see through and stamp this just like that. Isn't that beautiful? Lovely. Okay, that's that done. So let's set that aside to dry. I'm going to just show you actually first. I'm going to cut it out later using these Stitch Stylish dies. I'm going to use the second largest and then the largest again. So let's set that aside for now. And I'm going to bring in my piece of Designer Series paper here. And this measures the full width of our card, as you can see. And we're going to stamp here with this little stamp that says, may your greatest wish come true. So let's put that on the block. And I'm going to use my powder tool. So ink will only go where I want it to go. I have my Versamark ink out. Here we go. And I'm going to use the lines on this paper to help me get things as straight as I can. That'll do. Coffee filter, and I just need to get my white embossing powder. Let's see. Flick off the excess. Yeah. So I'm going to clean up this mess, cut everything out, heat set this, and I'll be back. Okay, so we've heat embossed our sentiment and we're ready to assemble our card. So I've got a piece here of basic black cardstock, and I'm going to use this just to mat my piece of real red Designer Series paper. So let's just get this sort of centered. Then I'm going to put this down on my card base, and this is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half, and this is just basic white. So let's try and get this centered as much as possible. Not quite very centered, so let's try and haul it up again and have a go again. Yeah, that'll do. Let's cut off this excess here. Whoops. Just like that. Okay. And then I've got my little ladybird. You can see that I've been busy crafting. My hands are filthy. All inkied up. I have to give them a good wash before lunch. Now, I'm just going to put this down on the side here. Just like that. And then some finishing touches. I've got these black matte dots, and I'm going to use this larger size, and I'm just going to put one dot over each of the spots. So I'm going to do 3 of them just like that. Lovely. And then some red rhinestones, 1 in each corner, so it looks like the rhinestones are pinning the panel in place. Okay, and that's the card. So what do you think? Love it, hate it? Let me know in the comments below. I do hope you like it though. If you will have any questions, just let me know. All the measurements and all the information is on the blog post on my website. If you did like the video, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe. It really helps my channel to become more visible, and I'd really appreciate it. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.